Gulner, Executive Director, Temple Bat Yahm. I hope this finds all of you well and healthy and enjoying your summer so far. Construction corner number 14. As I mentioned during 13, a lot of changes happening rapidly here at Temple Bat Yahm. Really excited to show you what's happened in the last several days. Really excited what's going to happen in the next. So let's take a look. The berm is almost complete, leading up to the Jerusalem stone wall with the beautiful Isidore C. and Penny W. Myers campus sign on it. One of the things that I want to make sure we notice is, besides the berm going up, we've also added extra protection to ensure that any automobiles that might try to drive on our campus that aren't allowed are stopped instantly. So these pylons go very deep into the ground. They're concreted. There's steel rebar underneath so that if anyone tries to drive up on this berm, they're stopped extremely quickly. Again, two reasons we're doing this project. One, beautification. Second, security. Let's keep both in mind as we continue our walk. I mentioned to you last week that we were in the beginning phases of constructing the new drive around so that people can drop off at our front entrance. We're pouring the concrete for that drive now, but you're starting to see here the actual turn that the concrete will make so that when you're dropping off for events, or if we have any handicap placards that need special attention during the drop-off, we can do so as close to the main entrance as possible. Over the next week, they'll be pouring the rest of this drive and finishing up all of the work so that we can drive in and out of campus in more than one direction. Let's see what's going on inside. All the rebar has been laid here. Same story. In the next week, they're going to be pouring all of this concrete to complete all of the concrete paths connecting into the Shuster Family Courtyard. So this is the next area that we're going to be working on specifically over the next 10 days. All of the infrastructure has been ordered. It's actually on campus for the doors to be installed, the bulletproof glass to be installed over here to my right to finish the final touches of this entry into the Shuster Family Courtyard. As we walk in over the last days, and they're still working on it now, they're finished wrapping all of the Jerusalem stone around the two columns that we have in the courtyard. Again, the idea is to connect all of what you see all the way into the Sun and Shine Family Sanctuary so that we have one cohesive looking and feeling campus. You can see the frames have come for the California slides that'll be installed where you see the wood doors to create that indoor-outdoor space. One for flow, two for air, and three to make sure that we can have as many people in this space as comfortably as possible. Two noticeable changes in this space. First and foremost, we added a paint color to the back wall. This is the final color of that back wall, and as we turn to the other side, we're going to leave this white on this side. So again, contrasting some of the colors so that we can define the beautiful light of the outside space, moving into the warm tones of the sanctuary. The other thing that's really exciting, which we'll show you in a minute, you can see that the doors here have been removed. Again, that's to install the old front doors that were on the outside. There are old Tree of Life doors. We're really excited that they've been completely refurbished. They're working actually on them right now in the social hall. When we finish out here, we'll take a break and go take a look at that. The other thing that's going on here, you can see they're installing the light balance that's going to run along the length of the entire wall here. Several reasons for that, one of which is to provide an option for some warm light along with the new LEDs that we have put in the ceiling, and to complement, again, the inside-outside sunlight that we're going to have coming in. Let's go take a look and see if we can see those outdoors. It's a longer walk, but we'll make it fast. This is Casey. He's our artisan working on these doors. And as you can see, they are in the process of just being finished up. Casey did an outstanding job with all of the metal work, refinishing everything, and then we'll reapply all of the Hebrew letters that were there. Again, these doors will be sealed and ready to be put back up on the front entry to welcome you into the Sun and Shine Family Sanctuary. That's all we have for now. Lots of changes, lots of excitements. Thank you this week. Thanks to Casey. Thanks to all our artists working on the front. Brian, Jeanette, Bonnie, Jeanette, my team, my family personally, and my Temple Bat Yahm family. Stay healthy, stay safe. Talk to you soon.